SESAR 2020 is a huge program. One of these projects is multiple remote tower. We have 37 partners. You have a developer, the industry, you have the air navigation service provider, and you have the researcher bringing in research facilities, validation expertise. All goes back to 2002. This was the day when virtual remote tower idea was first formulated. Then it was a quite visionary idea, so nobody knew exactly what to do with that. Now it's a viable concept.
The idea of remote tower is to control an airport A from a remote location B.
Controllers are a rare source, well educated, and quite often they're sitting on very low frequented airports.
Providing remote ATC services allows to share ATC costs among multiple airports and also to have controllers working at their full potential. Airports are very important for the local economy. That's why having an airport operational is essential. We believe that multi-remote tower is the future of remote towers.
We have a tower simulation that can be built up quite flexible. We can simulate huge 360 outside view airports, but we can also simulate small airports where you just focus on a 200-degree outside view. You can induce critical situations, even emergency burning engines or gear problems or oil leakages or something like that. And then you simply see how the controller react on this situation.
Debrecen Tower, arriving Airbus 320 at 5 miles final, reported single engine failure. We land on runway 05 in a minute.
Okay, we will send out the fire brigade to Manfire Airport in 12 hours.
Roger. Freebird 261, runway 05, you are clear to land, wind 060 degrees 20 knots, emergency services alerted. Do you need any assistance?
The scenarios were very thoroughly organized and set up, so it was quite realistic. That's why I enjoyed it very much. Even the pilot errors, the communications were quite realistic.
So a controller even today does multiple tasks. He has several aircraft on his frequency, one in the final, one waiting for lineup, 2 waiting for crossings, 2 or 3 taxiing, 1 asking for startup clearance. There are towers where they have 3, 4 runways where you decide that one controller is responsible for more than one runway. And in the end you have to see that it's not too complex, that the task load is not overwhelming his own mental capacity.
Having controlled 3 airports at the same time from the same position as a one-man show, it's quite challenging, and I enjoyed it very much.
So a controller is an artist in the end, and he wants to control aircraft, and if there's no aircraft he goes home very unsatisfied.
I believe that multi-remote operations also can bring a completely new paradigm into tower control. It can have advantages on social effects of the controllers, not to be sent for Siberia or distant locations, but to live a normal life in cities, in public areas.
Multi-remote tower is a natural progression of the normal remote tower, but it's building on the today's available trusted and proven remote tower solution.
My feeling is that the remote tower technology is something game changer in air traffic control.
We have the results now, which will support that the system is a viable system, that it's safe in the end. There are still some options that has not been tested, and then with this data we promote the system further. So we have a lot of ANSPs that believe in the system and this concept, but we have also a lot of skeptics still, also ANSPs and unions, and they have their question, and their questions and concerns are valid, and we have to take this into account, and we have now objective data.
Yes, I know we're gonna lose that very much appreciated and beloved position up in the tower, smelling kerosene fumes and the feeling that we are ruling the world. Yes, this is the emotional part, but technology-wise and in the future, this technology can bring new opportunity for the tower controllers.
We are not so far away from multiple, even if there is some question to be solved. 5 years to see multiple alive.